Say hi. I'm recording now. That's why that's not. What? Look at the water. It's so mucky. Bubbles. It's also cold. Oh, should we got water on you? And now we probably got sand. Oh, that's sand power. Excuse my language. You coming, bro? Oh, get waves. What the heck? Hello. Oh, I just water on the camera. Ah! Fucking cold. Sorry. Let's just hope we do not lose the GoPro. I keep on trying to eat the camera. I don't know why. I'm just like, oh. My lungs don't work. I fucking died, bro. Bye. Bye. You can drown alone. I'm joking. I love you. As a cousin way. I'm not fish in the water. What? I forgot there's fish in the water, bro. Save me. Not here. Save me, bro.
The only ones that would be here would be dead.
Shut the fuck up.
Let go of me, please.
I hate fish.
There are no fish that will be able to reach you at this point, okay? Wow. What? What were you saying?
I don't know, bro. I feel like I'm high from adrenaline probably because I don't take my meds.
I forgot.
If the water's clear, it would have been cooler. Can you see me, bro? I can't see myself. Hello. Do you like my music? We are in the wilderness of the water. Sorry, I was grounded for a bit. Unhinged moments of me. Almost drowned down and I ran out of oxygen, bro. Oh, wait. Oh, X game, bro, go! I can't read him. Oh! Oh! Okay, I'll do that. What the fuck? No, I know what I mean. I'm fucking mute language. Sorry, I know how to make no sense. I just like try to ignore it, you know? Oh, sorry. I'm trying to eat the people. It's sorry, I tried to be a fish. Alright, fish go sideways. Where, bro? I'm on my knees. I'm not sure. You're sure. What? Is it recording? Yeah, I am. You know what? Goggles are coming off. Okay. Oh, did I do that? Okay, stop this, bro. Oh, shit. I got all the way up my nose, bro. It went all the way up my nostrils. It came all the way back out. Oh. It's a rock. It's a rock. I'm gonna find a new one. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Rocks. Look at rocks. I found a big boy rock in the water. A big boy rock. That's a seaweed on it. Oh, it's pretty rock. It's a really pretty rock. I'm keeping this one. Look how pretty it is. Huge rock, man. Look how pretty it is. Admire the prettiness. Oh yeah, merch. Summer merch. Merch.
Why am I so sandy?
Because I made a circle. I almost tripped and fell twice. Look at the beautiful water. Admire the water. Look at the beautiful water.
Take your medication on time.
I don't have it on me. So I'm running to the water.